Hello there, my friends. So I'm recording this in a weird format, so forgive me if there's black area around the screen. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to investigate this option here under Earn in YouTube Studio to set up a membership. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to do it, but I just wanted to see what this was all about. So it says, if you set up a membership, your fans can pay for special perks, and I would earn extra income. It looks like badges, emojis. You create price levels. 70% of revenue goes to you. I guess the rest to YouTube. Is this something you would do? Is this something you would participate in? I guess is what I want to know. Let's see. So memberships can pay for fan applicable taxes are deducted. Okay. Total members, all current members have access to perks. Cancellation feedback. Why they canceled. I don't know. I mean, it could give me an idea of what's going on with subscribers. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Set your membership offer. Let's do that. Level 1, 3 levels, unnamed level, perks. Let's just do 1 level. So you gotta pay $5 to get emojis, photo and status updates, early access to new videos, member shoutouts, priority reply to comments. Okay. Let's see. Let's go start from scratch. Price has to be set. I'm just going to go with 1 level. Tailor your work to your offer to work for you. As viewers, it says spend time customizing your offer now. Consider these best practices. Use YouTube features, other apps that connect to memberships. So like Discord or something maybe. Offer perks you can deliver consistently. Consider returning members. Offer them something extra for your members, rather than taking things away from regular viewers. I guess that sort of makes sense. Let's see. Edit. I'll say emojis and loyalty badges. I'll say I want it to be like 99 cents. Like, I really don't want it to be like some crazy amount. Yeah. Because I don't want to gouge anybody here. I just think it'd be cool to like investigate this idea. Photo and status updates. Post photos and status updates. I don't really do that, so I'm going to trash that one. Early access to new videos. Yeah, I can totally do that. That's fine. Member shoutouts. Make members feel special by giving them regular shoutouts in video streams. I'm going to say no on that one right now. Priority reply to comments. Consider responding to members' comments first. Members appreciate receiving this type of special treatment. Yeah, I can do that. And then here it says add a perk. It has a bunch of them. Member only videos. No, that's too much to keep track of. Member only chat rooms. Gameplay with you. Connecting on social media. That's cool. Discounted merch. Yeah, that'd be awesome. Virtual video collaborations. I'd love to do collaborations. I don't. You don't have to pay for that. I just love to do that. So if you're watching this, put it in the comments below. And if my voice sounds like husky, it's because I've got a nose cold kind of thing going on here. All right, so I'm going to say emojis, early access to new videos, priority reply to comments. All right, so let's hit done. See what happens. Monthly price, 99 cents. Okay, next So you can save and exit and come back later. Tailor your offer to work for you. Okay, so let's go next. Customize your offer. Alright, how do I do that? Named, unnamed level. Keep it short and meaningful for your fans. I don't know what that means. This is a required field. Huh. How about, let's say, Pat's Pals. We'll call it Pat's Pals. How about that? I don't want to add a perk. Let's get it done. Alright, so why was this customize your offer? I don't know what that means. Alright, so early access to new videos. I already have that here, so what's... I don't get it. Okay. Let's just delete that. Okay, we got that. Okay, that's better. Alright. So it's, you get loyalty badges, you get emoji, you get early access to new videos, and priority reply to comments for 99 cents. I can do that. Let's do that. Okay. Now, do I have to pick the loyalty badges? Oh, I don't see. Alright. Loyalty badges next to your name in comments. Early access to new videos. I understand that once my offer is reviewed and approved, I am unable to change prices. To introduce a new price and create a new level and or add delete existing level. Deleting a level will cancel existing memberships to that level. Okay. We'll submit it for review and see. It says perks will be reviewed. We'll email you with results. When everything looks good, you'll be able to turn on memberships. My membership offer. Okay, so, all right, this is cool. So if you're doing this on your channel, it looks like you can set this up and then you won't be turned on automatically, I think. Yeah, I don't promote any of this stuff. That's fine. My channel is really PG. It's almost G rated. All right, so cool. They're gonna try to see memberships. Allow your fans to do. Great. So that's in review, and then when that comes back, I can decide whether or not to turn it on. So let's customize default perks. Select an image. Oh. Huh. Oh, I have to make the images. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Would you guys have default ones? Use generic YouTube images. That's what I want. That's exactly what I want. Next. Emoji name. Required. No, I don't want to add any emojis. Advanced. Create a unique family name. Huh. Next. Alright, when membership is turned on for your channel, you can change these settings anytime. Recognition on your channel page, section with members profiles if you have 8+ members. Recognition within your video descriptions. Member milestone chats. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Alright, save. Oh, emojis. Yeah, badges. We did that. Emojis. Oh, man. I don't have any emojis set up. I could do like... That stuff's not mine. I can't use other people's copyrighted material. Huh. Alright, got that. I don't have... I got badges, but no emojis. Alright. Announce your membership. Your audience will want to know what channelship membership is and what you offer them. Take a look at our suggestions on how to promote that. So make a video. That makes sense. Mention memberships in your videos. That makes sense. Promote it on socials. Alright, that makes sense too. Alright. Creators who rarely mention memberships have twice as many members. Well, I guess that makes sense. Okay, we'll go done. So I didn't announce it, but they would just give me that. And then post to welcome new members. Create some members only posts. Give me a warm welcome to your biggest fans posting regularly on your channel. So great. Alright. So start that. Create a community post. Well, nobody's joined up yet. Use members only posts. So where am I here? It says 75% complete. Oh, I got approved. That was quick. I got approved in the 11 minutes of making this video. Post to new members. Create some members only posts. Alright, let's make a post. Create a community post. Alright. How do I do that? Create a new image poll. Oh, I did do a post. That was pretty cool. How did he post on my wall? That's really weird. Huh. Cool. Alright, so sneak peek of your next video. Image poll, text poll, image poll. No. We'll do a text poll. Ask your community. What do you think about YouTube memberships? Love them. Leave them. All right. Post. Alright, so we're done there. And then I want to go back. So I want to go back to this. One members only community post. Oh, how do I do that? Visibility. Shoot. All channel members. There you go. Alright. Well, actually, I'm going to leave that one up. And then let's do another one. We'll go all channel members. And I'll put another text poll up there. And it'll be like... what? No, I'll be like, let's see. How much should a YouTube membership cost for exclusive content? I'll go $2.99 or $4.99 or more, and then hit post. Wait, what's this? Schedule post. Oh, I'll post it. Alright, good. Alright, so we're done with that. So let's go back and see what happened. No, didn't say anything. Members only post. So let's go back to cancel. Let's refresh because it should see now that I did create a community post. Done. Community post created. You're all set. Alright. It says I can turn it on now. Members strips allow your fans to pay a monthly fee and get access to only badges and perks. And early access to videos, right? That's what I did, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to turn it on. You're ready to start welcoming new members to your channel. A join button will appear. Anyone who clicks it will see your membership offer. Members only posts you create will become visible to everyone who joins your channel. Announce your new channel memberships to your audience and then tell them about the exclusive perks. They'll get access to join. Ready to start delivering the perks you promised. Alright, let's see what we got here. Crazy. Alright, so I'm offering memberships now. That's wild. Okay, let's do something real quick here and look at content. And go to posts. And then that's all mine. Okay. Alright. I hope you guys have a great day today. If you have any questions about... Oh, somebody just quit. I wonder if it had anything to do with that. Me making memberships. I don't know. Anyway, tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you've been here this long, you're amazing. So, thanks. Have a great day. Take care.